Find or read reviews that people are talking about Ertuly T33 sleep earbuds. Why you should choose? Because it has the following features. Smart Hybrid ANC blocks 98% noise for deep sleep. The noise-cancelling earbuds for sleep features dual microphone hybrid ANC technology that actively neutralizes up to 98% of disruptive sounds like snoring, traffic, and appliance hum for a profoundly quiet environment. A quick triple tap lets you switch between ANC, transparency mode to match your situation. 48-hour total playtime and fast charging and LED display. These Ertuly sleep earbuds for side sleepers offer up to 8 hours of playback per charge, with the case extending it to 48 hours total. The sleep buds recharge in just 1.5 hours via USB-C, and the case features an LED battery indicator for convenient power tracking. Ideal for extended use without frequent charging. Immersive hi-fi sound and sweat-resistant design. The sleeping headphones equipped with 13mm dynamic drivers, mini earbuds delivers immersive, balanced sound with rich bass. Its IPX6 rating ensures reliable protection against sweat and water, perfect for workouts and daily use. Includes soft ear tips and a compact charging case for comfort and portability. Sleep mode with 0 interruptions and all-night comfort. Our sleeping earbuds activates sleep mode with 4 quick taps to mute all alerts and block accidental touches. Designed for side sleepers, it's ultra-thin, lightweight, about 3 grams, shape ensures zero pressure comfort for peaceful sleep all night. Bluetooth 6.0 auto pairing and clear call quality. Equipped with Bluetooth 6.0, the wireless earbuds for sleeping offers stable, low-latency connections within 10 meters and pairs instantly upon opening the case. Its ANC microphones filter background noise, ensuring crystal clear calls in any environment. Take calls and single and dual mode flexibility. The headphones for sleeping answer, end, or reject calls with a single button hold. Use both small earbuds for immersive stereo or either one independently for calls or audio, giving you ultimate flexibility for sleep, work, or travel. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.